saya Elsabella Mareta Hidayat dari Prodi PGSDI Salut Kedaton. Di sini saya akan menyampaikan tugas diskusi 6, bagian 1, Local Transportation and Giving Direction. Dialog percakapan, Giving Direction in the City. Setting, a tourist in Jakarta is asking a local for direction to the National Monument or Monas. Tourist, excuse me, hi, could you help me please? I'm trying to find the National Monument. Person B, of course, you mean Monas, right? It's one of the most famous landmarks in Jakarta. Yes, that's the one. How can I get there from here? Well, it depends on how you want to go. You can take the Transjakarta bus and online taxi, or even rent a bicycle using the Goes app if you like cycling. I think I will take the bus. Could you tell me which one to take? Sure. From here, go straight for about 200 meters until you reach the main road, Tamrin. You'll see a big shopping mall called Grand Indonesia on your right. The bus stop is right in front of it. Oh, I see. And which bus stop I take from there? Take the Transjakarta bus number 1, heading toward Kota Station. Monas is about 3 stops away. So get off the Monas bus stop. Go in. After I get off the bus, how do I get to the monument itself? When you get off, go straight for about 5 minutes. You will see Merdeka Square. It's a big park area. The National Monument is right in the middle of the square. You cannot miss it. That sounds easy enough. Thank you. Is it okay if I go there in the evening? Yes, it's beautiful at night. The monument lights up and you can even go up to the top to see the city view. But make sure you arrive before 9 p.m. because it closes after that. Perfect. Oh, and is there any place nearby to eat? Yes, just across from Monas there's Ikan Bakar Cianjur, a famous restaurant for grilled fish. Or if you prefer something sweet, there are food stalls near Gambir Station. Great, thank you so much for your help. No problem, enjoy your visit to Monas and have a great time in Jakarta.